Welcome to BIFIS, the British Institute of Fitted Interiors Specialists, and our short video series helping businesses to submit the right information either during the application process or during their registration with us. My name is Grace, and I'm an AI member of the HQ team. Today we look at our criteria relating to business insurance. Business insurance can be a complex topic and is an area of our compliance requirement that can frustrate our members. It is important to understand that part of our role as an institute is to support the reduction of risk for all stakeholders, including consumers and those professional tradespeople that serve them. As part of our service to our registered businesses, we set a criteria that appropriately manages risk, and our team carefully reviews insurance policies to ensure the policy meets that criteria. Commercial insurance can often include fundamental restrictions, otherwise known as policy exclusions. These exclusions, which can usually be found embedded within the policy schedule, may result in certain risk not being covered in the event of a claim. Working with insurance experts, our team are trained to find these exclusions and anomalies, and in the event they do, to both make you aware and ensure that these are amended to reflect our criteria. Before we start, it is worth clarifying the types of insurance we will need to see from registered businesses. It is also important that you understand that we are not an insurance advisor. We simply set a criteria for registration, and this video explains that criteria in more detail. You can obtain insurance advice from your current insurer or speak to a specialist at Marsh, details of which will be explained later in this video. In all instances, we will need to see proof of public liability insurance cover. If you work alone and occasionally use subcontractors, assuming you check the subcontractor's insurance provision, then this is the only insurance we'll need to see. There are two reasons why we would need to see employer's liability. Firstly, if you are registering more than one installer with us, then we'll need to see employer's liability insurance cover too. To clarify, employer's liability cover is needed whether you employ the installers or whether you subcontract to them. So if you're registering one installer, it's public liability only, and if you're registering more than one, it's public and employer's cover. Similarly, if you are the business owner and your registration is different to the single installer you register, then we'll need employer's liability in place as well. In order to provide a thorough assessment of your insurance cover in accordance with our criteria, we will need to see two key documents that your insurer will issue to you. The first is your policy schedule. Your policy schedule contains the precise level of cover you hold and, importantly, the exclusions. The second document is your statement of fact. The statement of fact is a summary of the information that you disclosed when requesting the policy from your insurer. If you are in any doubt about the documents your insurer has sent to you, please submit everything that you have received from them, and our team will let you know if they need anything else. One final but important point. It is illegal to amend an insurance policy document or provide false representation in any way. If you find any issues with your policy, these must be amended by your insurer before sending them to us. Before you send the documents, firstly make sure the basics are correct. It seems obvious, but do ensure that the policy is in date. Ensure the policy has no anomalies relating to you or your business. This includes your trading name and address. This must match exactly to the details you submitted as part of your registration with us. Any differences will result in the policy being rejected. Ensure that the policy has the right level of cover. Details of our cover requirements are found within the criteria section of our website. Also, please make sure that your business activity is accurate. As an example, if you are registered as kitchen installer with us, your business activity must include kitchen installation. We would not be able to accept a policy for a carpenter. Similarly, if you're a bathroom installer, we would need to see bathroom installation as your business activity, opposed to plumber or plumbing engineer. Note that your insurance and any potential claims may be affected if your business activity is not accurate. The subject of heat is a literal hot topic for insurance and our criteria requirements. As an example, if you are a kitchen or bathroom installer, your policy must not contain exclusions relating to heat. If it does, please contact our compliance team before submitting. In some cases, our members state that they do not use heat, or that their subcontractors undertake the heat work. As the primary contractor, the liability is with you, and therefore we cannot accept policies that exclude heat. Height, specifically relating to the number of stories within buildings, is another exclusion we often see in policies. We cannot accept policies that exclude working within buildings above a certain story height. As an example, an exclusion that prohibited work above 2 stories would not meet our criteria, even if you never work in properties with 3 or more stories. Additionally, some policies exclude working above a certain height in the measurement of meters. We see an increasing number of policies containing exclusions for work above 1.5 meters. Again, we cannot accept these exclusions. So, in summary, BIFIS is not an insurance advisor. We have a criteria for registration which all registered businesses must meet and maintain. Insurance advice should be sought from your insurer. We will need to see both your policy schedule and statement of fact in order to assess your policy in accordance with our criteria. There are certain exclusions we cannot accept. Please ensure your policy contains no anomalies and that it doesn't contain the exclusions listed. If you are unsure about your policy and its suitability against our criteria, please contact us. One point we would like to make is that our team are completely understanding that insurance, and our criteria relating to it, can be frustrating. When you call the team, you will speak to a human, and it's important to understand that our team will be fully supportive of you and your business. Remember, we're on your side. And finally, you can get business insurance arranged by Marsh Commercial, who are part of Marsh, a global leader in insurance broking and risk management. Marsh Commercial have access to a panel of well-known UK leading insurers and specialist providers. Details of how you can obtain a quote can be found within our members portal and links within our compliance emails. The British Institute of Fitted Interiors Specialists Limited is an introducer to Marsh Limited, and Marsh Commercial is a trading name of Marsh Limited. Marsh Limited is authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority for General Insurance Distribution and Credit Broking. Their firm reference number is 307511. Thank you for watching, and if you need any more information, please contact the team during normal office hours.